Hi, I'm Rich Pizzulo, and I have to answer the question that everybody's been asking me. Why would you want to get involved in a U.S. Senate race? There's three simple reasons that describe the bulk of the problems in New Jersey. My parents can't afford to live here anymore. My kids look around, they don't see anything hopeful, and they want to leave New Jersey. And my wife and I and our friends are having such difficulty just trying to pay the bills, work our jobs, commute to and from where we need to be, and deal with all the frustrations and government intrusions that are life in the Garden State. These are just the result of a lot of government programs that are affecting our ability to just live our lives and raise our families. And understanding that and seeing that is what really drives me forward. I thought, like everybody else did, that the time came for a regular citizen to stand up and say, I understand the problems of New Jersey, I understand the issues, and so we discussed it as a family and said, well, if you know the issues and you are a leader and you can take on Cory Booker and can win the support of the people, then you should run. And I took that advice. You have to understand, I work with families all the time by virtue of my volunteering with Boy Scouts, having been in the Ambulance Corps, my work with the Knights of Columbus, my community work, and in my computer business, I work with working people every day. And there's a common thread of frustration with government and taxation and the healthcare system and the quality of our schools disintegrating before our eyes. Being aware of that and hearing the calls of people all over the state for somebody to stand up that understands all these issues. And when I realized I hear what's going on, I know what's going on, I live in that world, and I can bring that message to the United States Senate, that's what keeps me going. That's why I'm running, because I care about my family and your family. Please help me, June 3rd in the Republican primary. Vote for Rich Pizzulo.
I'm Rich Pizzulo, and I approve this message.